my project is to make Connect 4 game piece. And I'm making a Demogorgon game piece because I couldn't think of anything else. And right now, working on doing triangles.
So our project was we had to make the game pieces for Connect 4, and we had to make a creative design. So I chose like the radioactive symbol, and so it like extruded all these, and we're gonna 3D print the game pieces, and so we can play, and so they fit into the Connect 4 game, and then you can play with them.
So our project is we had to make a Connect 4 piece that would fit in the Connect 4 game board, and I made a candy cane and the number 4 in my Connect piece, and I dimensioned it so that it would fit in the game board.
Okay, so this is my design, and I printed it, but the letters were hovering over the design, so they fell off. And that's how it is.
Okay, so we made a 3D game piece on Autodesk, and I chose to do a snowman design. And this is how it turned out, and I think it was good.
Hello, my name is Ray, and what was the problem that we were trying to solve? Well, we have one of these ordinary pieces. They're just too, they're not good enough. So we had to create an original but creative piece. And this was the sketch that I made. Well,
Yep, get in the camera, Ray.
there, like, no, like that. There we go. It was this one. And as you can see, it went from that to this. This is a masterpiece.
Hi, my name is Olivia, and the problem I'm trying to solve is that all Connect 4 game pieces are too boring and they're not unique. So I designed some game pieces, and these are my sketches. This funny one right here is the one that I decided to go with because it was my favorite. And this is the final product. It's super cute. It's like a little bunny like popping out of the circle. And it's really unique to me because I love animals, I love bunnies, and I thought it was really cool.
Hello, it is Mac coming at you, and this is me, customized Connect 4 game piece. And the problem that we were trying to solve was finding ways to customize our game piece using Autodesk Inventor. And this is my sketch, and yeah, I used my favorite TV show Stranger Things in my name, and this is the Stranger Things font that I used tried to use. So yeah, and this was my final come out. It says Stranger Mac, but part of the M fell off, so I had to use pen and fix that. So that was a pretty cool come out.
The problem that we were solving is that all the original Connect 4 game pieces look the same. So we drew on our own, and I made this design, and it has my initials and 2 stars on the top and bottom. And then this is the final design.
Hi, I'm Jack, and the problem that I was trying to solve was that the original game piece for Connect 4 looks very old and unoriginal. So with my improved design, it looks a lot better, and it still fits inside the Connect 4 game. My original design for it looked a lot like this, and it was a basic sketch with just my initials and a star in the middle. Now it looks like this, with a star going straight through the center of this piece, and my initials slightly indented into the circle.
The problem that we're solving is to create a better Connect 4 piece than that. Whatever David Badley did, that's his name, I don't even know his name. So we sketched it out on our notebook, and yeah, I picked this one, but I did not want to do that. So in my brain, I was like, I'm going to change it. So I did my name, And here's the final result.
Okay, so the problem I'm solving is that Milton Bradley wanted a unique game piece, and right now they had this as their game piece. And I created a more unique game piece that looks like this. Here are the sketches, and I ended up going with this one. Here's my final product. It's just my initials with a dot in between them. The reason Milton Bradley should buy my game piece is because my game piece is unique and nobody else has ever created this game piece.